your guy, the wounded civilian man, don't show again. As you all know, me and I personally will not go give up the fight. I'm not going to give up the fight until we are all free. I'm not going to give up this fight until my people wake up. Because we dey sleep. Until we wake up. Nigeria is a country whereby people love, people like suffering and smiling. You are dying of hunger and starvation. Instead of you to fight, you are afraid. You like Nigeria so much, you don't want to fight for your right. You like Nigeria so much, when somebody is telling you you can get a better Nigeria, if you get up and say enough is enough, you can get a Nigeria whereby you have this sense of belonging, whereby things will change for your life. But because of you are afraid of war, you are afraid of civil war, you are afraid, you say no, you will manage this, you will manage Nigeria the way things are just going now, the way things dey now, you go manage that. It is a shame. You see people that call themselves Christians, or let's say people that call themselves Muslims. They said they are Muslims, they are God-loving people. Say they believe in God too. I'm talking about Muslims and Christians. When they see the government who preach peace, killing people just because of what they believe, killing the Biafrans, no matter what, and you are jubilating, you are clapping, and you are telling me you are normal. You think fighting the Biafrans, you can killing people who make people forget about Biafra agitation? Hey, I don't understand. Christians, they are jubilating, clapping for a government that is killing people. To start with, government, they are trying to say the IPOs, the Biafrans, they are terrorist group. I ask a question. How are they a terrorist group? They have not killed anybody or bombed anybody. They defend themselves with stones and sticks. And the government is killing them and you are happy. Okay, now that because you love one Nigeria. Okay, after supporting this government, after supporting them to go and kill the Igbos, to destroy these IPO people, then what is your gain? What do you gain for this Nigeria? Na Igbos, where government go to fight, na him make a way not give you light, where you not get constant light, where you not get light, much go down, go pay your NEPA, your light bill. Na Biafra Kosam. Okay, if na Biafra Kosam, if you support government to kill them, he go give, what can be your own gain for inside? Because me na person, Nigeria one Nigeria, me I like Nigeria, but I like Nigeria of equal rights and justice. I like Nigeria whereby government go promise me good electricity, he go give me. Government go promise me youth employment, he go give me. Government go promise say he go make life better for the people, he go do am. Government go promise say he go make our money high, our currency high, he go do am. Me no like this Nigeria where be say anybody go come into government promise us heaven and earth. He not go do anything. When you tell us say do am, he go say in own tribe or in own region people go they support and they clap for him. They say make you live and as if power go remain for the hand forever. Power not go remain for the not, remain for not forever. He go come out one day. Now some power go still come out go another region now. When they talk to, when they do waiting all right as Buhari they misbehave now. If you they condemn her, that region will still they tell you say no. The time when your person from your own region they there, do not condemn her when my own person there. Now we will push this country forward. That's why they talk. That's why people like us, they talk. Say, if it is division, then let everybody go their own separate way. Maybe if division will bring peace, then let us divide. Let us divide. After all, Nigeria not be God-made country. Now, man-made country. It was never God's will for us to be one country as Nigeria, as we did now. God not be God plan. Now, Lord Lugan plan. Now be that one. Since things not they go front, things just a bad more and more. Make everybody, if not to separation, make everybody go their own separate way. That's why they tell people say, I will ever support Biafra agitation because the Nigeria, where would they not get head, not get tea? You just say we not like Nigeria before? But not be this kind of Nigeria where kebab, now they rule. Now kebab, now they rule. The government say, Lai Mohammed talk say, The other day said that PDP now they sponsor IPO. Now he change. He said who they sponsor now na Governor Fayose they sponsor am. Now ask, why are you because I don't care. I'm talking about my Yoruba brothers now. My Southside brothers will not support this Biafra agitation thing. Fine, you get your own reason. Not be by force to support Biafra. If you not support Biafra, that's for your reason. I'm not going to blame you. But make you ask yourself, why this government is so fast to know the people where they sponsor IPO leader? Why are they fast like this? Why they don't tell us who they sponsor Boko Haram for 7-8 years now? But they know and now. They just know the one where they sponsor Biafra now. Una don't ask now that question. Okay. Yesterday they go to UN. Look at Donald Trump speech, which I like. I want to tell you now. He said every responsible president or every responsible government supposed to respect their own people and the right of other sovereign nations. That is to show every government supposed to respect the people who put there for power, respect the right of the people. Don't maltreat the people who vote for you for power, the people who you represent. Respect their interest. Respect their interest. That one a very strong and beautiful statement from a president who know what thing they do. Now, look at Buhari's statement. He go to UN, go to talk, say Myanmar. Say no be by war, they'll take solve Myanmar. Make the world unite together, go the fight Myanmar. Say the killings there must be stopped. Fine. But the ones where you they keep people for you, not my hypocrisy. You they keep people every day for your own country. You say no, you go they talk for you and say no be by war, the thing they said bring peace, settle matter. But you carry military, go they bomb and kill people for Southeast. Which kind of hypocrisy president be this? This is hypocrisy. This is hypocrite. Okay, you go to UN the other time, you they talk say Israel must free Palestine. As if say Palestine they under Israel. Palestine no they under Israel. They on their own. They get their own country. They are not under Israel. When it comes to Muslim, Islam, you see this president, they shake, they do saying get power. But every day, they say self-determination. The Palestinians need their own self-determination. They have to have their own nation. But the Igbos, they cry for us, say they need their own nation here. You don't give them chance. You they use the oppression for them. You they kill them every day. Then you go do it, go they talk, say, may Palestine is free, may Palestine free. You first of all prepare your house before you go repair that person's house. You they talk, you know, it said the war not use made a coup detention for North Korea, not be war. But you they use not be soldier. You they use war. You they threaten war for your people for Nigeria. Which kind of hypocrisy be this one? Nigeria they smell. Our public officer, our police they smell. That's why our soldier they smell. National currency they smell. Watch today. $1 is equals to almost to 400 naira. Just like so it be. One America is equals to almost 400 Nigeria. That's why when America die, one American die, the way their government go react. So Nigerian government go react when almost 400 Nigerians die. If 400 Nigeria die, government don't give a shit. 4, 5, 10, 20 people from Nigeria die, our government don't give a shit. Now from 200, 300, now government go to cry, come and see people die for Nigeria. For example, can't you see one person or 2 persons, 3 persons die for Belgium, France, go see our president go to send them condolence, greeting. But 20, 30 people will die for Nigeria, no news they carry out. Our Nigeria, they smell. Go to Nigeria. That's why they call Nigeria a monkey country. Go to Nigeria now. Air Force go they do soldier job. The job where soldiers supposed to the Air Force they do. The job where soldiers supposed to they do, police go they do. Police go they do armed robber job. Navy go they do mopo job. Mopo go they do road safety job. Road safety go they do wash night job. It's a destroy and the confusion country. See these people. When they say division, they say they don't agree. Okay. Referendum, they don't agree. Restructure, they don't agree. They just want Nigeria make it just the way they now. Because they favor their region. That's why they tell these people, say, killing the Biafrans, it not going to make any way. It not going to make any difference. Fighting them, killing people there not will make them stop Biafra agitation. The only way we'll stop Biafra is equal right and justice. Not be by force to live together. Not be by force. You have been killing them now. They say that they carry army come in the beginning. And they thought that they pass there now. They pass there. It can't become fight now. Not be to pass there now. Now to invade him. Now the Kanu has begin to kill him. Begin to carry Papa. Kill the dog. Kill everybody. So they happy now. Kill him for social media. Say killing now the kill. As if say power will do for the North forever. If you kill now the Kanu, what will it change? It will change anything for Nigeria. Nigeria don't die. That's why they tell us 2019 election not supposed to hold for Nigeria without proper genuine restructuring. Or otherwise make every region go their own separate way. This is where one particular region dominate the other tribe now. Nigeria not go feel move forward. They praise government. What did they praise government for? They say that looters, now they sponsor the IPOS now. They are looters, now they sponsor. The money where these looters don't want to save you now don't collect from looters. Where them they? Nigeria, wake up. Where them they? PDP, APC, forget about this fight. When PDP go fight, APC go fight. Now diplomacy now they suffer am. Where the money where they say they don't recover? Wow, now they spend that what will not they see am. Very soon next year now election go start. Oh my people, I'm sorry for una. Keep fighting the Biafra. Since Biafra now be your problem. Now Biafra do am way things they tear for market. You not fit buy anything for market. Now Biafra people do am. When people say Hausa Fulani, they say me brutal go label the Hausa Fulani terrorists. Say they not be Nigerians. Chai! And they not be Nigerians. They carry AK-47 they collaborate.